How can I terminate my real estate listing agreement early? Imagine you signed a listing agreement thinking it was the perfect plan to sell your property, but now things have changed. Maybe your agent isn't meeting your expectations, or your circumstances have shifted. Whatever the reason, knowing how to end that contract smoothly can save you time and stress. First, check your listing agreement carefully. Most contracts specify how and when you can cancel early. Look for sections about notice requirements, cancellation fees, or specific conditions that allow you to end the agreement. Some agreements let you cancel if both you and the agent agree, while others requiring written notice. If there is no early termination clause, you might still be bound until the contract naturally expires. Next, communicate directly with your agent or brokerage. A straightforward conversation often helps clarify your concerns and can lead to a mutual agreement to end the contract. Many agents are willing to release his clients if they see your reasons are valid, especially if little work has been done on your property. Always request a formal written releases after your discussion. Verbal promises are not enough legally, so both you and your agent should sign a document confirming the termination. Be aware that even after ending the agreement, you might still owe money. Some contracts include a protection period, meaning if a buyer introduced by your agent purchases the property after the contract ends, you may still owe a commission. You could also be responsible for reimbursing marketing costs or paying a cancellation fee if specified in your contract. Trying to sell your property to a family member or switching to another agent to avoid paying commission can complicate things. In an exclusive right-to-sell agreement, you might still owe the original agent a commission even if you find a buyer yourself. In an exclusive agency agreement, you can avoid paying if you sell the property on your own, but you cannot hire another agent to do so. There are valid reasons to end a listing early, like poor performance or unethical behavior from your agent. If your agent has not fulfilled their duties or acted unethically, you may have grounds for termination. But you still need to follow the procedures outlined in your contract, which might include written notice or specific steps for ending the agreement. If your agent refuses to release you and you believe you have a good reason, consulting a real estate attorney can be helpful. An attorney can review your contract and advise you on your rights. Sometimes legal action is necessary to resolve disputes and protect your interests. In the end, ending a listing agreement early is doable, but it requires understanding your contract and clear communication. Always get a written releases and be aware of any remaining financial obligations. If you're unsure about your rights or next steps, seeking legal advice is a smart move to make sure you're protected.